In this video, I want to show you how I made this stylish pampas grass Christmas tree. I love it so much. Let me give you a tip though. This is really messy, and I couldn't do it outside because it's hard to film outside with the wind and the sounds, so I feel like it's better in here, but I'll be vacuuming for days. So I decided to start with one of the smaller pieces on the top of the tree, because if you look at Christmas trees, they have a small top. And then I picked more smaller pieces for the bottom. Oh. And try to have the cats go away. That's another thing. There's one playing under there too, so I will attach them at the top like this and then go out like that. Or you can start from the bottom and go up like this. So let's see. See, it's flying around everywhere. And I can't find my wire. I actually decided to take a bigger one for the top than that. See, this already shaped the top. There it is. There it is. You can stick the wire in or not. Stick it in, then bend it and twist around. And then tuck the wire in again. We just twisted it in and stick in again. See? Another way to do it is if you would go like this all the way down. That gives it a more cone shape, but I think I want it to be more fluffy. I decided to move the camera to see if you can see it better that way. So I'm taking smaller pieces again and now tucking them in to start that triangular shape of a pine tree. I guess it's also about finding the right pieces. Oh, cats, trying to help me. And you can cut them on an angle like this so it's a little bit sharper to stick into here. And see how they curve a little bit? They're great for the top to make them, oh my God, I'm getting them in my nose. I guess this is not something for people with allergies. See, these really big ones, I think I'm going to use for the bottom and save them for last. To turn off the sound for the video because my kids came home from school and started to talk to me while I was working on the tree. Just keep filling in the cone with the grasses, longer stems on the bottom, and then keep making the stems shorter towards the top. For the top, I just bunched a bunch of them together to make it not look so round and stuck them into the top. When I liked the tree shape, I used hairspray to stop the seeds from flying around the room. I also added my favorite plug-in fairy lights to the tree. They give it the extra magical touch, and I linked them below. I also have a video tutorial for the paper lunchbag snowflakes you see hanging in the window. Aren't they cute? Cat window you see to the right leads to my DIY catio. You should check out the video.